Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how you can charge your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. First take your charger and bear in mind to be Type-C because the charger is Type-C. Connect them and insert into the outlet. After that, take your watch, take this part, but bear in mind to be this one and not this one, because this is the back side and this is the front side. As you can see, it's a little bit curved. Take your watch and place it over it. Now leave your watch until it's full. Thank you guys for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.